Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here at Joondalup. Well, not exactly at the station. I'm going to be filming non-service trains here from this view. Yes, not in service trains. As you can see, you saw a switch down there. Hi Shadow. I hope I don't get bit by anything here. I'm currently on Barron Parade. That's the street name. So, yeah, this should be interesting. The time is currently 10:05 a.m. and the non-service train should come in about 20 minutes. Enjoy. Alright, if I'm correct or not, I can hear a train. I don't know if it's something else, but it sounds like if it is a train, I believe it's going to be going to Perth. I was correct. Perth service. I hope this will sound good. Is there two trains coming? Wait, no. Clarkson service. Oh my gosh, EMU's 92 and 107 were the sets. EMU's 95 and 75. We have a butler service arriving on platform 2 at Joondalup, of course, but obviously I'm not at Joondalup station. This will be like music to me. EMU 52 leading. Front 3 cars, EMU 52, rear 3 cars, EMU 118. The next train will not stop. Well, actually, I should say the next train will be a non-service train. Non-service train about to pass. I hope this is fast. Oh wow, it is. EMU 69 leading. Cars, EMU 69, rear 3 cars, EMU 113. Next train will be a non-service train. We have the second non-service train. After this train, the video will end. EMU 125 leading. Oh! EMU 115 and 56 was on the Perth service, and I did not get the rear 3 cars for the non-service train. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. And also, I don't remember, but if I didn't say the street name is Barron Parade, right next to Joondalup station, literally. Anyways, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye, everybody.